my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a show and tell failure. Let's get into it. So today's project is a book cover, fabric book cover. And so I was using a hardback book that I have. I followed a tutorial and it took me many attempts, and still even then the last one did not come out right. So I don't know what I did wrong. I watched the video about 5 or 6 times and I checked my measurements multiple times and it still did not turn out right. Let me show you the clips of each attempt. Attempt 1 is too small and it's upside down. So total fail on attempt 1. Let's see attempt 2. Attempt 2 is better. We have it in the right direction. So this flap, I don't think I could do this one-handed, but this goes into that flap right there. But once again, it is too small. So I'm gonna add some extra fabric on these two and see if we can fix them. Alrighty, here is attempt number 3. I added 8 inches to both the exterior and the lining. So the book cover goes in this side over here. Oh my gosh, I'm trying my best to do this one-handed. Okay, book cover slides in there. Oh, I think it's gonna work. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then this part is supposed to come down and then this holds the flap on. Okay, now it's too big. Yay! Oh my gosh, this project's so frustrating. Okay, attempt 4000. I took off 2 inches. Let's see if it works. Oh my god, it's still not right. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. This project is so frustrating. God, I cannot do this one-handed. 1 second. Okay, it fits now, but it's not great. Like, this is hanging on by a thread. It should be, what, an inch bigger? Did I take off too much? I don't know. I thought this would be like a simple, fun project. Like, I think it's really cute. I like the cover, but oh my god, so frustrating. And I even followed the instructions where it's like, do this much extra or whatever. Like, oh my god, I just want to throw this out the window. Okay, here is attempt number 5, and I sewed it shut, and I just realized that it's backwards. So yeah, I'm done. I'm so done with this project. I cannot even tell you. But this was project 4. I did rewatch the video, and this is the correct amount on the back here. Even though this is backwards, let's throw this on and see what it looks like. I really don't like this crease right here from adding the extra fabric. Okay, so this one was a failure as well because it's backwards and this does not hold it shut at all, but the bookmark is more in the center, so that's good. Yeah, so I am done with this project. I don't think I'm ever going to do it again. I do not understand why it didn't work. I followed all the instructions. I watched the video multiple times and it did not work. Yeah, so I'm going to probably tear this apart to be able to use this fabric for something else, but you know, you win some, you lose some. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Well, as you can see, it didn't work. And like, I have all the different attempts right here, and it's just like a disaster. And I feel like I wasted so much time, effort, fabric on a project that didn't even work. Attempt 4 was okay. Not this one, too small. This one. Attempt 4 was okay. So like, you put it in, and then the back, but the ribbon for the bookmark's in the wrong spot. It's a little too loose as far as the height. Should be tighter, but like, it does work. This one does work right. Also, like, I feel like this concept, I really liked the idea, but then like when I messed up and I went to my bookcase to try and find a different book that it would fit, it didn't fit any of them. So like, you would have to do this project for each individual book. Like, it's not very universal, which I didn't like either. So I'm still interested in this project. Like, I want to find a different tutorial that is easier to follow and is like more universal, because I thought this would be universal, seeing as how the back is like not solid, like it's not just 2 flaps, but it still did not work. I went ahead and from the scraps where they go, I made so I could feel like I had a win, because oh my god, I just want to throw this project out the window. I made a little corner bookmark. So you just stick it on the corner of the page like that. Oh, let me take this off. You can't see. Hold on. Little corner. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I am just not doing it today. Okay, and then a flat bookmark. And I do have tutorials for both of these two, and these were easy. They worked well the first time. It wasn't an issue. But this other project, oh my god. I have spent hours working on this, and it did not work. So anyways, you win some, you lose some. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know if you have seen a fabric book cover tutorial, one that is of a different construction method, because I'm interested in trying it. I want to try this again and hopefully be successful. That being said, sorry that I brought you guys not a tutorial, but brought you guys a project that didn't turn out right. I'm hoping that next time I can redeem myself and I can make it well. But let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.